Okay, good morning student. Today we are going to start accounting treatment of partnership. Last video I will explain about what is the meaning of partnership, its partnership deed, natures, limited liability partnership, and what rules we are applied if partnership deed not maintained by any firm. Now today we are going to start what accounting treatment we are going to utilize in partnership. In sole trade, we are going to make the trading PL and balance sheet. Trading PL and balance sheet, I think well known about that. That is the course of first year. Okay, that is included in the syllabus of first year. Trading PL and balance sheet. In this partnership case, trading PL is okay, but the profit is came by the PL. That is in sole trade case only taking by the one person. So that is very easy. That profit is only giving the one person. But here that profit will give on more than 2%, 3, 4, 5, 6%. So we are going to take some more account for distribution of this profit. Okay? And for the distribution of our profit, we are going to make one accounts. That name is PL appropriation. PL appropriation. Its name is PL appropriation. Okay. Again, it's an account then sure and certain two side. It's a debit side and this is the credit side. It's the amount particular. Okay. This is the pro forma. Its name is PL appropriation. Now, I'm going to explain what is the meaning of PL appropriation and why we are going to make that. All type of appropriation, it means adjustment we are doing in this PL appropriation that is relate with the partner. That is relate with the partner we are going to do in this book. Okay. Or you say that PL appropriation we are going to make for the showing of all expense and income that is related with the partner only, that is not related with the firm. Okay? All the expense and income that is related with the firm that is showing in PL account. And here in this PL appropriation, we are going to show all the expense or income that is related with the partners, as like interest on capital, salary, commission, and interest on drawing. These 4 points coming in the book. Okay, only these 4 points. Okay, beta. Now I will going to explain how to make this PL appropriation. I think it's clear what is the PL appropriation. PL appropriation is account in which we are going to show all the expense and income which is related with the partners. Okay. Now we are going to explain PL appropriation, how to make the PL appropriation. After the PL we are going to make this PL appropriation. So we'll start with the by balance or by profit. By balance or PL. Okay. What PL is coming from the PL account, we are entered here. We are written here only. Okay, beta. That amount is coming by the PL account. Okay. Then to expense, all the expense debit side. I think this is very clear for you all, that all the expense we are putting on the debit side and all the liability, all the expense debit side, all the income credit side. Okay. So to interest on capital. What amount is given about the capital? We are going to just calculate on the base of that capital interest and this showing here. After that, to salary of partner. Then to commission of partner. Okay. And that side by interest on drawing. After that, totaling. If credit side is bigger than 2, profit. If debit side is bigger than buy, loss. That profit or loss that will distributed in old partner old ratio. Okay? Profit and loss, what will come? No problem with that. But that will distributed in old partner in old ratio. Okay, beta? First we are going to show by balance, that profit which is coming by the PL account, then interest on capital that we're going to calculate on the basis of capital and interest rate, then salary. If information is given in the question, then we are showing commission, same. If information is given in the question, that's showing. Then interest on drawing, on the basis of drawing we are going to calculate that interest on drawing. Then totaling, if credit side is bigger, then to profit. If debit side is bigger, then by loss. This profit and loss both will distributed in old partner in his old ratio. Okay? Clear? Now I am going to take one illustration, I was saying one heading, one question, and then going to show in this PL appropriation account. Question like that. Capital A, B, C. Okay? Capital of A, B, C, 80,000, 60,000 and 40,000. Okay? Interest on capital 10% rate. Okay, beta? Then salary 2,000 per annum, 1,000 per annum. If salary is given monthly, so then we are just convert this monthly salary in yearly. Then commission 3,000. Okay, and then interest on drawing 400, 400, 200, and last profit 40,000. Now I am going to show this all amount in this PL appropriation account. How to make this PL appropriation account? Okay, beta? Clear? Now we are going to just show this all. Rough this. No need to rough more things. Rough what is needed. First we are going to show this profit. This profit here only. That is the 40,000. Okay. Then interest on capital. Then interest on capital. 8,000 10%. 80,000 10%. 8,000. 60,000 10%. 6,000. 40,000 10%. 4,000. A, B and C. Total is 18,000. Okay. Clear? Salary 2,000 1,000 for B and C, 2,000 and 1,000, total 3,000. Okay. Commission for A only, A, that amount is 3,000. Then interest on drawing 442, 4,000, 400, 400 and 200, total is 1,000. Okay, total is 1,000. Now we are going to see that profit or loss will come. This side 41,000, this side 41,000. Right here only, and then take the difference. 18,000, 3,000, and 3,000. 18 and 6, 14,000. 24,000. 24,000 less from here. 7,000. 17,000. Okay, that will distributed in the partner in his profit sharing ratio here. Profit sharing ratio. Okay, that is distributed in partner in his clear? How to maintain this PLI proportion account? Clear or not? Tell me these things in comment. Okay, beta? Then I will again explain these things because it's very important. It's very important because without the knowing of PLI proportion account, you cannot able to do the next accounts. Okay? Clear? Now I will take one question of your book. Question number 5. Question number 5. And then solve that question here only. Question number 5. Everyone see in your book. Question number 5. Okay, beta. In that question, they are saying about the make the trading PL appropriation and capital account, but here only I am explaining that PL appropriation account. So I will make only PL appropriation account. The question is like that: capital A and B 6 lakh and 2 lakh. Salary B 60,000 and interest on capital I think 6%. Okay, and then interest on drawing 2,000, 1,000. Okay, and profit 2,40,000. Okay, 2,40,000. I think. If any problem, just see that question. That profit amount is 240 is right. Everything is right. In drawing is given, but no use of drawing in this PL appropriation account. Only we are needed interest on drawing. So only we are incurred here. Interest on drawing. First we are going to show this profit by profit 2,40,000. Then go for the interest on capital to interest on capital to interest on capital A, B 6 lakh 6%, 36,000, 2 lakh 6%, 12,000, 48,000. Okay, then go for the salary to salary 60,000 and then drawing by interest on drawing A, B 2,000 and 1,000, total 3,000. Okay, this is the total of PL appropriation account. Okay, then totaling 2,43,000, 2,43,000. To profit 1,35,000. Okay, to profit 1,35,000. Just see in the book. Just answer is coming 1,35,000. Okay, clear? On this way we are going to maintain the PL appropriation account. Okay, beta? PL appropriation account. Any problem? Now I am going to explain capital account because PL appropriation is finished. After that we are going to make the capital account, and I am going to explain the pro forma of capital account in this video and the question of capital account in next video. Okay, beta? Okay. See, the pro forma of capital account. PL appropriation is clear? PL appropriation is clear, I think. Okay. Then we are going for the capital account. Before the making of capital account, I like to clear you, if capital is fluctuating, only we are going to make capital account. And if that capital is fixed, then we are going to make two account. One is capital account and second is current account. Okay? But first I am going to explain only capital account. Just thinking in your mind that capital is fluctuating. See, capital account, first things, again two sides because of the account, and then number of amount column on depend on number of partner. Okay, beta? How many partners there? On the basis of that we are going to make the amount column as like A, B and C. A, B and C. Okay, beta? A, B and C. A, B and C. Okay? This is the pro forma. Okay? How to make this? First we are entered here by balance. By balance BD. It's the amount of capital. It's the amount of capital. We are entered here the amount of capital which is given in the question. Okay, beta? Amount of capital of A, B and C, that is written in the by balance. Okay? Then what thing received by the partner entered in the credit side, and what things give by the partners, that is entered in the debit side. It means what things they are receiving, the partner is receiving from the firm. Credit side, it's the credit side, I think well known about that, and it's the debit side. Okay, beta? Credit side and debit side. Okay, clear? Then what things they are just receiving by the firm? Credit side. What things they are giving to the firm? Debit side. Then after this, by PL, by goodwill. If goodwill is there, then we are giving to the ratio of the goodwill. Then by reserve, and then by interest on capital, by salary, by commission, okay, by workman compensation fund. These all taken by the partners. So we are showing these all things in which side? Credit side, and sharing in his profit sharing ratio. Okay, this side to drawing and to interest on drawing, and to loss. Profit here and loss this side. Okay, beta? Profit this side and loss this side. On this way, we are going to maintain the capital account. Okay, beta? The capital account. Okay? It's a capital account. First, we are going to show by balance, that is capital amount, then by profit and loss. If any type of profit is there, profit of PL appropriation or other profit is given in capital, in balance sheet or in question, that is showing. If goodwill is there, that is distributed. If reserve is there, that is distributed. Interest on capital, salary, commission, workman compensation fund, these all showing on the credit side, and drawing here, drawing amount. Okay, beta? And then interest on drawing, and last to loss. Okay, beta? To loss. On this way, and then totaling. After this, totaling and balance will come, the to balance CD and transfer in BS. BS means beta balance sheet. BS means balance sheet. This is the pro forma of capital account. Okay, clear? Again, balance, capital, PL, goodwill, reserve, interest on capital, salary, commission, workman compensation fund, drawing, interest on drawing, loss, to balance. It's a balancing figure, beta. It's a balancing figure. It's a total. Okay, it's a total, and this balancing figure transfer in where? In balance sheet. Okay. In next video, we are going to see how to make the capital account in a questions. Okay? Clear? Thank you.